So you've been injured in a car crash, and now you're wondering, well, what's the process? When you give us a call here at Groth Law Firm, the first person you're going to talk to is an attorney. We're going to go through some basic information with you really to understand really what happened. Once we get that information, if you feel comfortable, if you trust that we will do our best for you, we'll send you a document electronically that'll allow us to work for you, and that's called a retainer contract. Once you sign that and get that back to us, we send a letter off to the insurance company, so the insurance companies don't call you. They're our responsibility. You have to worry about getting better and doing your job, which is taking care of yourself, your family, and really your health. Once you sign the retainer, you let us handle all the legal aspects of the case, and you worry about what's most important, your health and getting better. What we'll also do is send you a text and an email with information about how to contact our firm. Every client gets a confidential text number and a confidential email. You can share with us everything that you have that's relative to the case. What we ask is that you share with us all the information involving your case, documents from the doctor, pictures of your injuries, pictures of the damages, anything related to the police officer's investigation, for example. The next part of the process is our intake specialist will contact you to make sure we gather all the details necessary so we can fully tell your story. The conversation with our intake specialist will involve trying to gather all the information necessary so we can tell your story. It won't be a very long conversation, but it'll be very detailed so we can make sure we have everything necessary. After you talk to our intake specialist, we'll send you a welcome packet so you have information about what your basic rights are in Wisconsin, what kind of things you can expect going forward, a timeline of cases that are similar to yours, and other information about our firm. After that, you'll be assigned an attorney and a paralegal, and you can communicate with them again via text, via phone, via email. So they'll be talking with you about which doctors you've gone to. If you have any questions, they're there to answer your questions and be there with you the entire process. We'll request all your medical records and bills, and then gather those medical records, bills, and all the other evidence and make sure that we have it in a fashion that the insurance companies know that we're ready to take your case as far as we have to take it. We'll send that packet of information to the insurance company, and the insurance company then will discuss with us whether there's a settlement possible. If there is a settlement, that's fantastic, and we will make sure that we can get every single penny we can for you. If there's not a settlement, then we are always ready to put your case into litigation. We have a trial team here at Groth Law Firm, and the trial team is involved in every single case that has to go into a lawsuit. If the case has to go into suit, we'll file a summons and complaint and serve it on the insurance companies. They'll have to answer, they have to hire an attorney, and then the real formal process starts. And that formal process is going to involve getting in front of a judge, talking to the judge about what the schedule of the case is, and then there's a couple things that you'll have to be involved in. Those things are depositions, probably a mediation. Mediation is a time that you go in front of like a retired judge or an older attorney and have that person help us figure out whether the case is something that should go to trial, could settle, or whether it's something that you can come to some kind of resolution short of trial. If we can't, and that's fine, then the next step is getting ready for trial. If you have any questions about the process, please reach out. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. You can go to grothlawfirm.com or call 414-999-0000.